How to click your progress picture step by step guide. I'm going to explain this in 3 steps. If you're someone just getting started your fitness journey, this video is gonna be a game changer. Let's get started. Step number one, all you need to click is 4 pictures, one in the front angle and the left side view. Open this elbow so that the midsection fat is clearly visible, and the right side view, then the rear side view. That's the step number one. Step number two, make sure you wear a tight outfit, no baggy and saggy outfits. And males, it's okay to remove your shirt and share us the clear picture so that we can understand your body fat percentage and guide you accordingly. So females, wear a comfortable outfit where your fat percentage is clearly visible to us, and documentation plays very key role. Let's document your journey. And the third point is very crucial. Click a picture where you are clearly visible from your head to toe. Okay, and these are the 3 steps which you need to consider when you're clicking your progress picture. So what you're waiting for, go and click your picture. Let's transform.